olvide, tú tienes que ser este. You said. I know.
Who?
The spline? Spooling, yeah.
There you go. You got the spooling springs. What is that for?
It's a turbo muffler delete.
You said $25.
No, I said 40. That's how much I paid for it.
You told me 25.
No, I paid
don't
for
want it.
because I got the CTS one.
You did?
Yeah, at home. I got it.
What? Everybody about to have turbo muffler deletes.
Hey,
More
man,
turbo noise.
Hey, $25, dog. And I'll install that thing right now.
Won't do anything with this inspection?
No.
Animation?
No.
Alright, dog, for free.
Yo, if you
No,
have the
fuck that.
CTS one, then we should do. So on Mario's car, we're gonna throw this secondary APR intake pipe on, and then we're also gonna throw a CTS turbo muffler delete on as well. So
mine's coming too.
we'll probably get a before and after, and Alejandro wants to do his too.
Here's the spline.
He's got the spooling one.
And I got the elbow.
What elbow? Oh,
The-
the intake. That's the inlet pipe.
That's
Ooh, Mario's got all the things. All the things.
for me. For you.
Family
For me,
discount.
I can get you one.
Family discount.
But
Hey, Richard. So we're about to do the turbo muffler delete and the turbo inlet pipe on Mario's. First, we got to take this triple square out right here. I mean, Torx bit. It's a T30. And that'll go back into this one when we get to it. Then you gotta pull this off right here. Cool.
It's not good.
Yeah, dude, it had mad oil in the fucking intake.
Tell me why my first instinct was to go to the sink.
So we're gonna have to swap this rubber gasket over to this one. And this will be an easy install right here, but the turbo inlet pipe is quite the pain in the ass. I mean the turbo muffler.
Can you just do that?
If you can. Cool.
Yeah, we gotta.
This is good.
It is fucking good.
I don't know a lot of foods, but I know that one.
Hey, this bolt on mine is snapped off.
That's why I wish my brother would mod his car, so that, like, you know, I have some shit to do.
You'd have plenty of shit to do. You should see all the shit we do over here.
You happening? We already have plenty of shit to do. Look, Mario's.
But I don't have the time.
So now we're gonna remove this shit to get to the turbo muffler.
Is that the charge pipe, Eddie?
Yes.
What's up?
I know, but I need this pipe to come all the way off. Very hot. Right there. Touch it with your hand. Touch it with my.
This.
Look at all the oil in there.
How many miles are on this?
32,000. I don't know if you can see it, but
Yeah, I can
this is
see
why
it.
you need catch can. Now we're gonna move on to taking out the stock turbo muffler. You can come over here.
Two more to go.
2 more to go, and we took out the easiest one first.
Really?
Nick, can you hold this?
Couldn't call it.
Oh, you want someone to be able to hold it where you can see?
Yeah, you saw that the whole time, like shining it on the
He's
turbo.
Cause I've been holding bullshit on it.
I was like, God damn, you just put it away. And then he's like strobing it back and forth, and I'm like trying to get this in.
Did you see that meme? And it was like a little kid. And it was like memories of helping your dad work on cars was really just him telling you to hold a flashlight and yelling at you. Oh, my kidneys. Eddie, hook me up.
I only got one.
they ain't failing yet, right?
You may have one.
Mine or his?
Where is that little short stubby one? So this is the stock one. This is the aftermarket one. The stock one has these vents in the side to quiet the turbo down, and this one is solid pass through. So we just need to swap this gasket right here. This O-ring. I might have my lovely assistant Nick over here. Hey. Nick the Ghost. He might have to put the bottom one on because I don't have patience for that kind of shit. Whoopsies. Whoopsies.
We don't need that.
Whoopsies.
Action.
Take 16.
Oh, you're the director now, Richard?
You need to cut it. No.
So I can blame you for everything that goes wrong on set, right?
Quiet on set.
Fucking definitely that.
You know he's gonna watch that video.
And he's gonna be like,
yeah, this is useless. This is redundant.
Fucking garbage.
Sorry, I'm
Nick's got bolts out. Nick's got shit unclipped already. Nick's a Mark 7 technician.
That's where I've been. APR Mark 7 training school. Brought to you by UM.
you were APR, buddy. You was never fast.
So the turbo muffler is done. We're about to throw this turbo inlet pipe on. This one has to go in and then rotate down because of these tabs. Now it's on SOS. SOS.
Save me.
Where he like does like traveling to
Like voodoo places and like haunted places?
yeah, basically.
No. What's it called?
I don't remember.
I'll search it up.
Search it up.
Someone said that in class the other day and I was like, oh.
You know how I know you're dumb? Now somebody's gonna watch the video and out of context. Always try to figure out which way is gonna make our life it's the most easy. And on this pipe, I can never figure that out.
Have you ever?
He'll never know.
You'll never get this.
Let's tighten this shit so much that we just disintegrate the carbon fiber.
There goes $300.
When installing the coupler, you don't need the screws, but it'll help.
You'll still get the whooshes.
It might help. You don't need your brakes to stop, but it'll help.
Now, Richard, you see this? You don't need to have an IS-38 to go fast. But you can't use a GTI anymore if you don't have one.
I know where to get it off of.
I always think about the time we were at Michael's or Joanne Fabrics or some shit, and you were whistling Christmas music in August, and the cashier was like, "Are you whistling a Christmas carol?" And you're like, "Only 6 months away."
Gotta get ready.
Did you see that up there, Nick?
The turkey?
Yeah.
What the fuck is that for?
That's a turducken. Cause you know, man, it's Christmas time.
Late.
Wearing a tuxedo shirt says, "I can be formal, but I'm here to party."
Man, he's gonna fucking...
I fucking hate this part.
Oh, you do. Alright, let me move this car real quick.
Do what? Honda Civic. He took his GTI.
Who's got a Honda Civic now?
It's Alejandro's stepdad's. So we're gonna see what it sounds like. We're gonna sound what it sounds like with the secondary intake pipe, the turbo inlet pipe, and the turbo muffler delete. So go ahead, Richard. Rev Mario's car to the fucking moon.